Sichuan Guangrong Group is founded in 2000 and located in the landscape garden city Guangyuan, the Chinese Queen's hometown. The group has 4 subsidiaries: Sichuan Guangrong Technology Co. Limited, Sichuan Guangrong Powder Actuated Fastening Co. Limited, Sichuan Kakijio Powder Actuated Fastening Co. Limited, Guangyuan Chuangji Trading Company. Having more than 1,000 employees, the group covers an area of about 160,000 square meters, with a construction area of about 80,000 square meters, involving pressure vessels, fastening products, supplying OEM/ODM service and fastening solution. The group has passed the International Quality System Certification ISO 9001-2015 and been authorized special license numbered TS 2251255-2027. Our brand Ku has been awarded Sichuan famous trademark. At present, the group reaches an annual production of 450,000 pieces of industrial gas cylinders, 1 billion pieces of powder loads, 1.5 billion pieces of drive pins, 1 billion pieces of powder actuated tools, and 1.5 billion pieces of integrated powder actuated nails. The products sell well all over the countries, such as Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Russia, Brazil, and so on, winning a wide reputation in this industry. Adhering to managing vision of people-oriented, seeking truth and innovation. Guangrong Group sincerely welcome partnership worldwide to build a better tomorrow together.